Hi everyone, and welcome back to Rise and Slay, where we get a bunch of things done. Today's video is another motivating get it all done video with a whole lot of cleaning motivation, laundry, and much more. If you need to get motivated to get things done around your house, you've come to the right place. If you're new here, welcome, and let me know if you like these kind of videos. Subscribe, like, comment below so that I know to make sure to make more of these kind of videos. Hi guys, so today's video is just going to be a bunch of different things. I'm going to be doing gardening, meal prepping, cleaning, laundry folding. So if you need some inspiration to get started and get done things around your house, follow along with me today. Still pretty early in the day, it's around 11 o'clock-ish, and I've already done some gardening and I will put that into the video later on, but I did some replanting. The house is kind of messy. I haven't been home for a couple of days. There's a lot of folding of laundry that needs to get done. I threw like a big load last night, but I have to get to the folding. It's gonna be a pretty busy, productive day. That's what I'm hoping. I just need to get this house back in order. That's the kind of day it's gonna be, because when my house is not in order and not organized as usual, my mind is not organized and I just feel all out of sorts. So yeah, this is the day that I need today. So let's get right into it. Good morning guys. So today I'm starting in the backyard, and today I'm going to be replanting some plants. So I have some old pots that I found around the house. I have some potting mixed soil, and I think I'm going to be using this one and this one to repot the snake plant because it's pretty full, so I can probably get it to grow into another plant and then put it in here and have two plants out of one plant. So I love doing this because it just saves money and you get more plants at the end. This one is cute, but it needs to be a little bit cleaned, so I might clean that as well and put maybe one of these plants in there. So you'll see what I mean when I start doing this. So here we are with the end result. This one was a little bit trouble to take out from there and put onto here. I don't know if this is gonna grow because it didn't really have much of the root in there, but we shall see. This one is all ready. It could be used as decor inside the house as an extra plant. And as you can see, we still have the two other plants. So as you can see, you just get more plants out of it when you do this. So I am starting in the kitchen today, right after breakfast. It's not too bad in here, but I like to have the kitchen clean at all times, especially the dishes and the countertops. I never leave them hanging for later. We had pancakes with berries, so it didn't make much of a mess, but I did want to just clean this up because I don't like dishes and food on the countertops drying up and just making it harder to clean up later. If the kitchen isn't clean, I just feel like the house isn't clean. So this is the first thing that I'm going to do. And I'm giving the sink area a very good wipe down. This is something that I do every time I clean the dishes. It just makes it feel so clean and so complete. And I love the shine effect, and it just feels therapeutic to me when I actually see results from my cleaning. And as you can see, everything is nice and clean in the kitchen. So now I'm just heading into my bedroom to make the bed. And to be honest with you, I don't make the bed perfect. As you can see, I just make sure that it looks decent, and that's it, because my dad will take another nap at 1 o'clock, so it's just useless. It's going to get messy again. And this load was from yesterday. Yes, I did leave it in there. It was a super late load that I threw in, but here I am getting to it. It's a very large load, and the first thing I do is I sort through the clothes piles, making a pile of my clothing, Cody's clothes, Lily's clothes, and then towels. And then after I fold everything, I just put it away. I just love the feel of folded, freshly clean smelling clothes. It just makes me really happy. And here I am just putting everything into their places. And now I'm just going to give this mirror a wipe down because it was really, really filthy. I'm just doing little here's and there's, and I'm giving my room a good vacuum. This vacuum is obviously a cord vacuum, not the most expensive one. It was actually one of the cheapest ones, but you will be surprised how much it collects. So I emptied it right before vacuuming the room, and this is how much I picked up just from this room. And here's my room all fresh and clean, and just makes me feel all ready for the day. I cleaned the house and all the bathrooms recently, but I just wanted to clean up the master bathroom sink area, just shine it all up because this is a really high traffic area and this can probably use a wipe down every day, but I don't have that kind of time. So here I am just shining things up and making it nice and fresh and appealing. So the living area is a mess every single day. I clean this area at nighttime. This is an area that just gets messy every day because my daughter always has her toys out that she dumps every single day and plays with. And she uses this coffee table to bring all her snacks in. She carries them everywhere. So this area is always a mess. And at nighttime, we hang out on the couch too. So here we are picking up the toys because I'm going to vacuum up this area, and I like to have her contribute to picking up her toys even at this young age, and you just have to encourage them and they will help you out. And as you can see, having a child is a struggle sometimes. She literally kept throwing the blanket like 3 or 4 times, just kept throwing it down when I was trying to vacuum. So I'm also giving the stairs a quick vacuum since I had the vacuum out. The upstairs I did not do because it doesn't get as dirty there as quickly because we just don't go there as much. And then I'm just cleaning the dining area. I wiped down at the table. I did go grocery shopping and I lay out all my groceries on there, so I like to wipe it. And then this area, she also likes to bring all her snacks here, so this is always sticky and yeah, just needs a wipe down every single day. Okay, so I also wanted to get some meal prepping, and my meal prepping is done a little bit differently than others. I don't actually cook food, I just prep vegetables that I will cook later on with. So basically I'm just getting all the vegetables ready to be cooked. So I just cut them, wash them, and then I'll have them ready when I'm going to make the meal. I just throw them. I don't have to prep them. I don't have to cut the vegetables. It just makes cooking much more appealing and easier later on. So I cut up the Brussels sprouts, got those ready. So they're all ready to just be spiced and then thrown into the oven to bake. I have like 2 recipes with mushrooms, so I cut up all and prepped all the mushrooms. I like to do this way of prepping
because I don't like to cook rice and then wait days on and days on, because I like fresh food. I like to eat the food that I made that day because I feel like they just go stale. So that's why I do meal prepping this way. I also had some sweet potatoes and some regular potatoes. I use sweet potatoes for sweet potato fries, and I'm also going to try a new sweet potato creamy bacon soup this week. So I'm just going to prep all of the sweet potatoes for the fries and for the soup. And the white potatoes, we are going to make probably some mashed potatoes with salmon, and also I like to have cut up potatoes for breakfast. I fry them and spice them and put garlic, and it's just a staple in our house for breakfast. So I'm just gonna cut them all up and get them ready. But you just have to make sure that these potatoes are immersed in water or they will turn brown. So that's just something you have to make sure to do. So you just add water and make sure all of the potatoes are covered, and then you can store it into the refrigerator. So if you ever had sweet potato fries, and if you ever cut sweet potatoes, you know that it is a struggle. I sometimes get blisters from it because sweet potatoes are super hard to cut when they are uncooked. But I think that they are so worth it because I absolutely love sweet potato fries. They're just healthy and delicious, and everyone in our family loves them, including my daughter, which makes me really happy. So here's all of the vegetables all cut up. And this is the favorite part of meal prepping, the end, when everything is nice and prepped and in containers and ready. So we had a whole bunch of leftover fries, so I made sure to make some for this night, especially since I was really busy. So this just made an easy meal. Again, when I do a lot, when I have a busy day, I don't cook hard meals. I just go the easy way, but I am still trying to make it healthy. This day also I made a easy Russian salad, which includes just tomatoes, cucumbers, an onion, and some olive oil, and then salt and pepper. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's healthy. And everyone likes it in our family as well. So here I am just making the salad for the family and making the sweet potato fries. The sweet potato fries are really easy. You just put it on 400 for about 35 minutes, I think, or until they're like brown crispy. And then these hot dogs are a little bit different than normal, and they are German, and I think they taste so much better than regular hot dogs, and you boil them instead of fry them. They were really good. Everybody loved them. And for dessert in our house, we always have some sort of fruit or nuts with honey. We don't bake much here. My daughter can devour the whole thing. She loves these so much. And then I just put everything into the refrigerator, wrapped it up, and fries were completely gone. And as you can see, the mess is back. But that's life, isn't it?